Okay, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today is Thursday, December 7th, 2017. Today is Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day according to my calendar. And I was baptized on this day on a Sunday when I was 13 years old, December 7th. It was the day that I went forward as a child, I guess, and went and was baptized and gave my life to Christ. Fell away for a while, actually a long while, and I still struggle each day to be a better person than I was the day prior to that. So I thank you for tuning in today, and we'll go through the market commentary briefly. I like to look top down, as I like to do it. So let's look. Yesterday we were down, obviously. If you didn't know that, we're down. Let's get rid of that right now for now. That was the extension from yesterday. We were talking about the 5612. We did hit that and run it. We went to a low of 55.97, I believe, yesterday. Or was it a little bit lower, I guess? 55, looks like 55.87 maybe. So we're about 5 minutes prior to the market opening at the what used to be the open outcry of the crude oil market. So this is the daily chart that we're looking at, and we can see that you can actually draw a trend line on this. You can, hopefully y'all can see this trend line, or I'll just change color so you can see it a little bit better. We'll go back here and measure it. It seems to be holding to that kind of pattern right through there. Let me change that color real quick. If it lets me, oh, there it is, line color. Something bright, that looks better. So you can see it seems to be holding that kind of line here to go through here, and underneath it a couple times. We talk about the Gann fourth time through. Let's see how close we are to breaking, or have we already broke. Go through prices a little bit better. Use the second time through. Right there. Let me delete the color of the line here. Oops, daisies. So if we look at this, we've been 1, 2, 3. This could be considered the fourth time down and through right now. So interesting. So it could be a nice little signal underneath this low of yesterday to continue to move down. Downside targets S1, S2. S2 is at 5477. Today our Gann number 137.5 degree angles at 5486. Coming down off the daily charts to look at the hourly chart. Once again, we hit that extension, but let's go ahead and extend it out for today. Just using what we see right now. Release the charts and take a look. Showing a possible down to, well, all the way down here to 53.36. And then you can see the 61.8 at 55.49, 54.49. We'll leave that on the charts today. And then let's look at the extension, the retracement possibilities. Sometimes you have to find the right chart. This is when the art of trading, to know which chart, dang nabbit, to know which chart to use at what time. I'm trying to get this to come on down. So currently our market is where it's trading. It looks like 50%, brings it back in between R1 and R2, up and through pivot. So pivot's obviously in play at 56.47. I would expect that we'll run that within the open. If there's any strength at all, we can see that 57.34 is 50% retracement of this move right now. So that's our hourlies. Let's move it on down to 15 minutes. Oh, wait a minute, I want to go back and write that number down now. Hold on. So 55.49, and we have 57.34. Some nice decent ranges in here. Heading down into the 15 minutes. You can see us trying to recover here off the lows. The lows printed yesterday at 115 to 230, and then we briefly went down there this morning at 1 a.m. Central Standard Time, and we've rebounded off of this low here. What is that? The low right now currently says it's at 55.82, I believe. Yeah, 55.82 on session, and the highest session, we're on top of it. It looks like we've actually made a new morning high at 56.32. When I first came in, it was 56.30. So we've made some new highs. Looks like we're up on the 8 o'clock mark now. Let me move that over. Alright, so that'll do it for the morning chit chat. Talk to you in a little bit.